Hi, everyone. We are Aedifico, tech pioneer in project-based learning programs. We are ISO certified organization with international accreditation. We, Aedifico Tech, have trained more than 22,000 students over the period of 10 years and placed over 11,000 students under job-oriented program and completed over 50,000 projects. We offer online project-based summer internships on latest emerging technologies like data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, full-stack development, Android app development, digital marketing, Internet of Things, embedded systems, Java, advanced Java, web development. Enhance your technology skills this summers with 40 days online training programs. Learn to implement by doing 10 projects, 10 industry project case studies, taking weekly rewarding test. Get project implementation certification, get recognition certificate with cash prize, get globally recognized internship certificate. This is the Aedifico Tech Transforming Career Cycle. We as a training and consulting organization train the students with complete 360-degree approach and build his or her complete personality as per corporate requirement. We transform students into professionals by building his or her logical skills, programming skills, debugging skills, application development skills, communication skills, and corporate etiquettes. Here are few of the students who got benefited from Aedifico Tech Transforming Career Process using project-based learning programs and placed successfully. Aedifico Tech constantly works to bridge the technology skills gap among the undergraduates and graduates and help them getting placed in reputed companies. These are some of the reviews of our students who have taken the advantage of Aedifico Tech training methodology in learning the technology and gain the relevant skills that industry demands. For more details about the technology you are interested in or about the list of the projects you will get chance to implement, reach us out. Our WhatsApp number 99100255224. Repeating again, it's 99100255224, or fill up the contact form, link in the description.